Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download your data from TikTok Web. So first you want to go ahead and open up your internet browser on your PC. Next, you want to go ahead and navigate to tiktok.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, go ahead and hover over your profile icon here at the top right. Scroll down and click on Settings. Okay, now you want to scroll down and you want to see the data section, which is just below the privacy. Here you'll see download your data, so you can get a copy of your TikTok data. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now this will ask you what format you want it in. So we'll go ahead and choose all the data, and we want it in easy to read text file. So let's go ahead and click on download here at the bottom. This will now request your data. Now once you've requested the data, you'll come to this screen. Here you'll be able to download your data. So as you can see, it is ready for download. This link will expire in 4 days. So go ahead and download this data. So we'll go ahead and click on download. This will now tell you that they've sent a code to your email address. And now once you enter in the code, you'll be able to download your TikTok data. So there you go, guys. That is how to download your data from your TikTok Web. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.